Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is not something to hide. It is natural, elegant and full of confidence. With the right haircut, grey hair can look stylish, modern and very graceful. So let's look at some easy and lovely grey hairstyle ideas. Short layered hair is perfect for grey hair. Layers add volume and make hair look thicker. This haircut is easy to manage and looks neat and all day. It gives a fresh and youthful look to women over 50. You can keep it straight or slightly wavy. The bob haircuts looks beautiful in grey color. It is simple, stylish and timeless. A chin length or shoulder length bob frames the face nicely. This haircut is great for both casual and formal looks. It makes grey hair look shiny and healthy. The pixie cut is a very popular choice for mature women. It is light, comfortable and low maintenance. Soft layers on top give volume and shape. This haircut highlights your eyes and cheekbone. If you prefer longer hair, this style is a great option. Soft layers add movement and body to grey hair. This haircut looks natural and elegant. You can style it straight, wavy or tie it back easily. It is perfect for everyday wear. Grey curls look beautiful and full of life. Short or medium length curly hair is easy to manage. Curls add volume and softness to the face. Use light hair cream to keep curls defined and smooth. This style looks natural, youthful and stylish. A simple side part can change your whole look. It adds volume and frames the face nicely. This style works well with short, medium or long grey hair. It is easy to style and looks very elegant. Grey hair is a sign of strength, beauty and confidence. Choose a haircut that suits your face shape and lifestyle. The best style is one that makes you feel happy and comfortable. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas. You can enjoy my videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.